Good morning dear students, back to the class. So my dears, we have completed till the lesson 19 and I have told you to make sure that you are completing the 8 lines of the poem lesson 20 and draw the picture also in your copy I have said. I hope you all are doing. Make sure that you are completing within the 2 days you will be in the school, and if you are not completing then you will get problem. So make sure that. Now let us go to the lesson. What is our lesson? Lesson 20. Little things. Little things. The things will be, everything is very little when we take it in a positive manner. If you want to take it in positive manner, everything will be in a big issue. So here also, what are these little things are doing? We will be seeing. Little drops of water, little grains of sand. So what is little drops of water? Whatever the little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean. That is true only. Little drops of water all together if it is there, and little grains of sand. Sand is together. Then what it becomes? It becomes a big ocean. Then make a mighty ocean and the beauteous land. So see that if the ocean is there. Big oceans when you go to the sea areas. So ocean means what? Sea means the small ones. The ocean is the big amount of water where we see. So there that beautiful one atmosphere you feel when you go to the near the ocean. And the little moments, humble though they may be, make the mighty ages of eternity. So what you have to do? Next one, what they are telling? And the little moments. So the little things, what is happening in our life, little moments, that all. When you are standing near that ocean and enjoying the beauty of the nature. So little things, thoughts will be in your mind. Humble though they may be. So they all are very simple. Very simple. Humble means very simple and gentle. So they may be simple. But what happens? Although they are, make the mighty ages. Means any type of age people, any type of, till our age ends. So what happens? What will be happening? Of eternity. So the eternity means time without end. It longs means where the years may go, that beauty that will never be ended. So it will be just moving. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make our earth and Eden like the heaven above. So what they are telling you? See, little deeds of kindness means whatever the things we are doing with the kindness. What if anybody comes and asks you help? So with a kind heart we do, and the little love we give. So we show the love towards others. No need to have so much. I love her, so I am doing this much. No, whatever that you show the love. How much you do also, that is not a matter. But how you are loving the person, how you are showing, you are caring, how you show your care, how you are showing your happiness, sharing the happiness with the people. So that when you are friends together, if they are crying, you also feel sad. But when they are happy, when they come and share with you, you also feel happy. So our happiness, the love we show towards others, the kindness we show towards others, that is a make our earth and Eden. So Eden is the beautiful garden in the heaven. So that's why they say like the heaven above. So in the heaven there is a very beautiful garden that we call Eden. So that Eden, that like that your life also will be there. So the earth also, when you love the people, when you help the people, when you show the kindness, so that time what will happen? So you also feel that you are in the earth of Eden, means like in the heaven. You are living in a heaven, you can feel it. So our little earths lead the soul away from the paths of the virtues into a sin to star. So what happens here, dear? They are telling that whatever the little small things we make mistakes, we hurt others. So what will happen? Normally that all will be just erased when you are showing the love. when you are giving the attention towards the others. So when you show your kind-hearted love to others, what happens? Whatever the deeds you are doing, whatever the sinful things you have done, that all will be forgotten. So that all will be forgotten. The next one, what they are telling? Virtuous means high moral standards. So what will happen? From the parts of means different things when you are doing, different good things when you do, what happens? Automatically your mindset and automatically the way you are loving others, that all will be just your simple ways, everything will be vanished there. Means it will all will be just mode. Then the good way, the moral way, just you can stand like a moral standard person. Means you are giving the very good path to others. You can show the good path to others. Little seeds of mercy, sown by the youthful hands, grow to a bless the nations, fall in the heathen's lands. So what is happening? The little seeds of mercy means the little things what you are doing, what that sown by the youthful hands. So youthful means the people, we are the ones. So you are the people when you are standing for the good things. Now you are the future of the nation. Yes or no? Now you are sitting here and learning. You will be the future of the nation. So you people have to be in a correct manner. You should know what is a wrong. You should know what is a good. Then if you are realizing what is a good and bad in this age onwards, then you can lead the beautiful. In the future we can see such a beautiful nation. Our India, our nation will be protected by the very young and energetic people, those who are honest and kind-hearted. So like that, if you grow in that proper manner, then we can see the beautiful and the perfect nation in the future. So that glory then forever be to the God on high, beautiful and loving to eternity. So if we are changing our behavior, if we are loving each other, if we are showing kindness to each other, and if you are understanding what is a good and what is a bad, according to that, if you are moving, then you can see the very beautiful country in the coming up. So for all this, we are glory to God. Means Bhagwan ko, we have to praise the God. Then we have to who is standing high above. Means who is looking everything in our life. Whatever is happening, the God is the only one can see. Only one He is the only one can see and design our life however we want, if we are asking. And if you do the good things, if you are faithful, if you are doing loving others, so if you are helping others, then it happens. So for all these things, we will be happy and we will have the beautiful and loving future in coming days. Dear ones, this is your poem. And make sure that you are learning the 8 lines of the poem and the exercise, everything I will be sending you as a PDF. Learn the poem